The Core Compliance Platform, called CORE for short, is a unique online software designed to help small businesses manage their ISO, AS, and cybersecurity certifications. It includes access to the Core Learning Center for training. As a Core subscriber, you gain access to a resource library where you'll find document templates and tools to help you implement and prepare your certification. In Core, you can manage documents, records, and streamline processes needed to maintain your certification. Core handles revision control for documents, which is an important ISO and AS requirement. You can run your business more smoothly with complete document and record control in Core. Core helps you stay ahead of your next audit and saves time during the audit. Core provides many audit forms that help you manage key processes related to compliance, such as corrective action, non-conformances, customer satisfaction, purchasing management, supply chain management, change management, okay, I think I need to catch my breath, and industry-specific audit forms such as calibration, design plan and scheduling, engineering change request, training, and many more. Let's take a quick look at some of the features of Core. It keeps you ISO and AS compliant. It's available 24/7 because it's cloud-based and accessed through your internet browser. It includes document and record control features. It sends you and others email notifications and reminders. It provides access to a customizable report writer. And it features standard audit form templates for managing key processes. Some of the benefits of Core are: it keeps you on top of ISO, AS, and cybersecurity requirements because the platform is updated as requirements change. It greatly simplifies certification preparations, and it includes an interactive video-based training/learning center with certificates of completion for everyone on your team. What's great about Core is there's nothing to install or maintain. Your implementation team has visibility of documents and records. It provides easy access to real-time information, and it provides dashboard views and charts and graphs for key metrics. Now, if you want to take a deeper dive, keep watching and we'll show you inside Core.
Hello, I wanted to take a few minutes to show you the Core Compliance Platform. Core is a system that can help you whether your company is already certified or if you are working towards certification. We're going to look at the tools and resources. So let's take a look. So the first place you would look for information if you're preparing for certification is the project checklist. The project checklist allows you to work through implementation in a step-by-step fashion, tracking your progress as you proceed from the planning phase through implementation review and certification. Each of these sections has details that you'll want to review, has instructions available to you, and allows you to check off the completion of each of these as you work through the process. So the checklist is great if you're working towards certification. All right, another tool that you will use is the Core Resource Library that contains training for employees, but also it includes the documentation library for standards such as ISO 9001, the AS standard, the environmental standard, and ISO 27001 for information security. So each of these templates can be modified for your use. So for example, if we were trying to implement a quality manual, we could search for the quality manual, open the document template, and that template would then be available for you to modify and use for your company's needs. And once you have the template finished, it can then be uploaded as a controlled document. Now, Core was originally developed as a document control system, and that's one of its strengths. So as an example, this quality manual that we've already uploaded is been controlled, it's been approved and released, all done electronically through the document control process. It also can serve as a reminder to keep your documents updated through the periodic approval cycle. So document control will make your life a lot easier to maintain the quality management system, but also to show the auditor what they need to see with regard to your documentation. Now, your company may also have needs in other areas. So for example, you may need to track nonconformances. You may need to track changes and corrective actions. Perhaps calibration is an important area in your company. So there are auto forms for these various requirements. And let's take a look at the calibration record auto form, which tracks the scheduling of calibrations, the recording of results, the actions needed following calibration. And as you can see, this particular calibration, we have information showing that the tool has been calibrated and it's been scheduled for an upcoming calibration. Another example you might use is corrective action. So corrective action auto form. In this particular case, we're drilling into a particular problem to look for the root cause and to document the information that is needed to complete a corrective action, including actions taken, verification of effectiveness, and the closure of that corrective action. Another resource with regard to auto forms are the charts and graphs that are available. Those charts and graphs are tied to reports that come from the data that you've entered, and you're able to develop and customize charts for your organization's needs. So as an example, we can look at this particular chart with regard to corrective actions, and it would track on a real-time basis information that you need to monitor with regard to corrective action. All of the data charts can be viewed through the dashboard feature, where you can now track information and report on those in perhaps meetings that you hold, including your management review. So CORE has tools and resources that are available to be customized for your business needs. You can access the available resources through the various menus and also through the CORE catalog that shows the various tools and auto forms that are available. All right, so I was pleased to be able to show you this quick tour of the CORE compliance platform that can help you with implementation of certifications requirements and also maintaining your certification down the road. Thanks for joining me.
Many companies ask about security. CORE follows industry standard security practices. These features include server and network security, login sessions that use industry standard SSL encryption, hardened operating systems and firewalls, hosted servers and secure co-located data centers, controls around physical security to prevent unauthorized access, redundancy and ongoing multiple data backups via encrypted connections. Security audits are regularly done with dedicated IT security staff, and redundant UPS power and standby generators. Application security includes multiple authority levels for users, group privacy settings, password aging and selection rules on length and complexity, and session timeouts that enforce logout. The CORE compliance platform is included with all of our consulting programs or can be purchased separately. Not only do we use it ourselves to maintain our ISO certification, but the majority of our consulting customers choose to continue using CORE for ongoing maintenance and improvement of their quality management system. CORE is secure, easy to use, and provides everything you need to achieve and maintain ISO or AS certification during implementation and for years to come. If you'd like a more detailed demonstration of the software, a quote, or have any questions, please call 866-354-0300.